In this video, you'll learn how to start the kids in an assessment in the sign-in mode. So you'd come down here to the Smart Response icon, go to Teacher Tools. All of your classes will be listed here, and we just put 2 in. And if you're going to do anonymous mode, this is where you click anonymous mode, and the students wouldn't need to put an ID number in. They would turn on their clickers, and they'd be ready to go. But we're going to go ahead and do sign-in mode, class 1. And we're going to work with an assessment. We're going to start an assessment. And also, as you can see in the bottom right-hand corner, it says Smart Response is ready to use. I did plug in my receiver. Don't forget to plug in the receiver that comes with the Centios. And you will get that pop-up box down below when they're ready to be turned on. So right now, we're going to go ahead and go to File. And we're going to open that one that we did earlier. And the students could log in, and I would use this feature down in Smart Response, which is the simulator. I would show them exactly what to do, so I'm going to turn this off. I would have this up on the board, and I would say just hold down on this for 2 seconds until it turns on. Have them arrow down to find a class, and it will take a little longer for theirs to find my class, but there's Custer. They've hit enter. Since we're in the sign-in mode, they need to put in their 5-digit number or whatever number you assigned them to. And I'm going to put 2. And I'm Muhammad Ali. If that's correct, yes. If not, I'd put no and say enter. Maybe I typed in my number incorrect, but I know I'm Muhammad. And I'm going to enter. And on the side here, you'll see another icon. If we click on that, there's different options for collecting the answers and showing if they're correct or not. It's a personal preference what you decide. I tend to wait until after you stop collecting to show the correct response. And I'm going to go ahead and start this assessment. And if we're not sure if all the kids are logged in yet, we can say show, and it would show all of our kids that are logged in. And we're going to go to the first question. Just going to arrow over. Smart Response to no to Centio. Show them where the yes and no is, same as the true and false. And I'll put yes and hit enter. And the next question, what is 8 times 8? Put in 62 and hit enter. Then I realize I want to go back and change it. I can still go up and change it. Hit delete. I want 64. Hit enter, and I finish. And I can see if anyone else is waiting and they're all done. I'll stop the assessment. And if I go back to the title page, it'll show me green for correct and red for incorrect. And if it's an opinion question, it'll be in a different color. And you can go through each question with the class. You can insert the chart in Smart Notebook if you want. You can change it to a bar chart and just show it over here, or you could insert it into the Smart Notebook file again if you'd like. And you can go through each question. And that's all there is to doing the assessment. When you're finished with the assessment, you can go up here to the Response tab, and you could export the results to Excel. And sample 2. Save it there. And it's going to put those results for that class in an Excel spreadsheet. And that'll take a couple minutes, and it'll show up at the top, and that's it.